tired. Can I go home now? Today, we are going to make something really healthy and yummy at the same time. We're going to use some flour, some pecan nuts, some sunflower seeds, and a lot more ingredients. We are going to make the health rusks. I am Megha Joshi and Megzi Pop for you. So let's get started with our recipe. But before I get started, please don't forget to click on the bell icon to get regular updates of my recipes. So to make the health rusks, you know what to do. Take a screenshot of the list of ingredients that's on your screen so that you could refer to it later on. So before we get started, let's just put our oven on to preheat. We're going to put it on 180 degrees Celsius. So by the time our mixture is ready, our oven will be ready too. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take all our dry ingredients and we're going to put it in this bowl. So here goes in our maida, our brown flour, the desiccated coconut. This is somp, it's optional. Then our muesli, yummy sunflower seeds, our chopped pecan nuts, baking powder, and our brown sugar. Now what we're going to do is just give it a good mix. Then what we're going to do is take the other bowl. Okay, now we'll take the smaller bowl to mix our butter. What I've done, I've melted the butter so it's easier to work with. Then our mass, which is also curd or dahi. In it goes. Finally, milk. We mix this as well separately. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is actually mix this with the dry ingredients. So I'm going to make a little well, okay, in the middle, and I am going to pour in all of this. Here we go. Now I'm going to use my hands and we're going to mix this well. So basically, these rusks are actually made healthy, but the ones that are very, very known in South Africa and are South African are the Oma's rusks. Oma, which is grandma in Afrikaans, so it's grandma's rusks. So it's a recipe that somebody's grandmom made and it's carried on all these years and everybody loves it. So we've tweaked it by making it healthy by adding your muesli and pecan nuts. You can put almonds, you can put anything that you like. It's up to you, but obviously just make it tasty according to your taste buds. We are ready with this. Now I'm going to take a tray that I have greased already. There we go. Why do we grease it? It's because we don't want the rusks to stick at the bottom. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this dough and set it in the tray, even throughout. Okay, so we are almost done. Right, there we go. So this is now set. I'm just evening it out throughout. Okay, so this is nicely set. What we're going to do now is we're going to cut our rusks. So you just, according to the size and shape you'd like. And there we go. I've cut my rusk. We are going to put it in the oven. We're going to bake it at least for 40 to 45 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. And our rusks are ready. I'm just going to get them out of the oven. And there we go. It is lovely golden brown in color. It looks so appetizing. Now I'm going to make myself a nice cup of coffee and I'm going to dunk my rusk in it and have it. So our health rusks are ready. If you guys have enjoyed my recipe today, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to India Food Network. But before I go, I have to always do what I have to do. I'm going to have my rusk with a nice cup of coffee. I'm going to dunk it and